Wait. Let's do something with my boring lips. Now I will try anime lips, and here is the tutorial how to achieve this lips. Let's start. First, I conceal my lips with foundation. Then apply face powder to secure it. Apply blush on the lip line. That create a soft pink shadow on my lip. I use brown eyeshadow, but if you have brown lip liner, use it instead of eyeshadow. Applying on this part to create shadow. Do the same on the center of the upper lip. And do the same thing to sides of the lips to create shadow. Now I apply light pink shade of lipstick on the center part of my lips. Then blur the edges to your lip line for a natural gradient effect. Then I use a deeper shade of lipstick and a pressed brush like this. Now I'll apply it on the center of my inner upper lip. Seriously, I say doing this part I was really scared. Very carefully I apply this dark shade of lipstick in my center of inner upper lip. I draw an M shape on the inner upper lip. Then extend the outer line upward for lifted lip effect. Now I'm seeing a little anime lips effect on my lips. I applying the light pink shade of lipstick that I used before on the upper and lower part of my lips. Last and most important of this tutorial list, I use lip balm to give a glossy effect on over my lips. And last but not the least, I use highlighter to enhance the shadow line to increase the beauty of my anime lips. Oh my god, the outcome are too good. If you like this anime lipstick tutorial, please press the like button and give me a red heart on the comments section. Feeling inspired? Drop a like below. And if you want to be notified of every new drop, hit that subscribe button.
Oh my god, my lips are looking so bad. Let's try this lipstick hack. I have Maybelline wine color lipstick. Now I put this lipstick on my lower lip. And I use concealer on the upper lips. Now mix. And more mix. If you like this shade, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to get notification of my daily makeup hack. Here I use lip balm on over my lips. For knowing this type of quick hack, don't forget to subscribe. Love you, bye.
Let's try this ombre lips in just 2 minutes. It looks very nice and seems easy. Let's get started. First, we need a black lip liner. But I don't have black lip liner, so I'm using kajal instead of lip liner. Now I'm lining my lips with kajal. Now I'm using a thin brush to spread the black line on the lips. Now I apply concealer on over the lips. And now mix it carefully. This must be taken care of, so that the concealer does not mix with the black lip liner on the lips. If you like this shade, please press the like button and give me brown heart on the comment section. Because it's free for you, but it gives me a lot of inspiration to make videos like this. The results is too good. And don't forget to press the subscribe button. It's like a digital high five.